Hello guys, welcome back to again for today's session. So in previous video we have already discussed about the advanced Excel, introduction of advanced Excel, why we are using advanced Excel, what is the use of the advanced Excel, right? And what is the perspective of the using advanced Excel. That one we discussed in previous video. So today's session we are going to discuss about the basic Excel scratch level, like as I told you guys. So today we are going to see some example with the practical, right? So I hope you guys keep on practicing and keep on growing, right? So let's start. So as you can see, guys, this is a user interface of the Excel. As you can see, this is called ribbon, or even it is called also tab, like home tab, insert, page layout, formula, data, view, review, developer, right? So these are the tab. So each of the tab you guys can see certain tools. यहाँ पे आप tools देख सकते हैं जिसका use करके आप certain action को perform कर सकते हैं. Okay. So you can see insert. Once you go insert, if you want to insert some object in Excel, in that case, you can use the insert tab. As you can see, various section like table section, illustration, like you can take a pictures, right? The app you can use, chart features is available in the insert. I mean, whatever object you want to insert, you have to go with the insert tab. Okay, clear? After then, you go for the sparkline section where you're going to see the fluctuation of data graphically. Slicer, which are used for the filter, text, header, footer, equation with different shape for mathematical operation, right? The page layout, where you're going to manage the page layout, right? You can see the themes where you're going to use the different object like colors, font, effect, page orientation, portrait, landscape, which one you're going to use. You can size the format of your Excel sheet, like which frame you want to print, later format A4, A5, A3, which one you want to print, background section. Then after then you go for the formulas. You're going to use the formula section as well here. Okay. Same formula you're going to add on inside based on the requirement. Review and view tab as well, which one you're going to use. Okay. So how we go for this? Let's see one by one. So you can see this one is a formula bar. We are going to write the formula, right? This is called formula bar. In Excel formula, आप जब भी start करते हैं Excel formula always start with the equal sign. हमेशा equal sign के साथ start होता है, ठीक है? After then you go for the here. You can see Excel row represent by rows. I mean number, you can see number represent by row here, column represent by alphabets. You can see A, B, C, A to Z here. Alphabets, which one you're going to use. Okay. After then you go for the seat here. You can see seat 1, seat 2, seat 3, which one you're going to use. Right. So once you click, you can insert the seat. Even you can use a short key control or shift F11. Shift F11 you can see simple add. Even some laptop you have to use shift F and F11. Somewhere it will support shift F11. Okay. So you can insert the new sheet as. Okay. Fine. Now here you're going to see once row and column cross to each other, which space is generated, this is called cell. What is called? Cell. Where you're going to insert the value, where you're going to write something. Now in Excel, if you want to make a any serial number, how are you going to make this? Like very simple example. Everything going to scratch level, guys, basic to advanced. Again, serial number I given here, like I given 1. After then, you can see the plus icon corner, simple drag it. You can see आप यहाँ पे drag करेंगे. जैसे आप drag करेंगे यहाँ पे आपको auto fill option मिलेगा. You click here. You can see copy cell, fill series, right? So once I click fill series, my series will fill here. Again, you can see fill formatting only. So whatever format I given 1. So 1 will only display here. Fill without formatting only. So this is without formatting 1 given here. And again flash fill. So flash fill everything will out. You can see. So this is option you can use. First one, simple click. Look at the plus icon. Once plus showing, simple drag it and fill series. This is the first way. Again, I want to make this. So another way you can also use to make this. I given 1. सिंपल होल्ड द कंट्रोल की, आप अपनी कंट्रोल की को प्रेस रखेंगे लैपटॉप में, ठीक है, एंड सिंपल ड्रैग इट. लुक एट हियर till where you want. Simple you can drag. Another way you can also make a serial number like this. Simple, go to serial number, and here you have to take like A1, B1 like this, and simple drag it. You can see. Like suppose you are making any serial number for any product like A1 section, B1 section, C1, any specific one, उस टाइम पे आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. After then you going further like weekdays. I want to write weekdays here. Even somewhere in this object if required, so आप use कर सकते हैं. Suppose I given here Sunday and simple I will drag it here. Look at the plus icon. Always make sure आप ध्यान रखेंगे plus icon आए तभी drag करेंगे, नहीं तो same वो print कर देगा. Saturday, as you can see here. Fine. Double click. You can see. After then again you go further. Same format. See, Sunday, if I'm dragging from here like this, see, nothing will happen. Okay. So make sure you have to do the right one. Short form you can take like Sunday SVN, like in trend going on for now. Simple drag it. You can see. Even you can copy and you can paste somewhere. Okay. Again, you can same take for the month. Okay. You can take a month like January. Okay. Simple drag it. You can see. November, December. Just leave it. Again, here I given January, Jan in short form. Jan. Simple drag it. आप इसको drag कर लेंगे. You can see now. This one you can also copy and paste somewhere once you required. Okay. Clear? So this were the basic things, guys. How are you going to start with the scratch level basic component of the Excel? Now we just going further. How we are going to use the formula. Even here, how you going to rename the sheet? Like you can see sheet 1, sheet 2. So simple right click करोगे आप and go to the rename option. This one you can also use. But suppose I don't want to be right click. मैं right click नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. तो मैं क्या करूँगा यहाँ पे simple double click on the sheet. आप यहाँ पे शीट पे डबल क्लिक करके आप यहाँ पे नेम दे देंगे like Jan. Simple double click for next fab. Okay, like this you can define for the each of the month. Okay. Now I'm going for like in Excel once you start formula you have to always equal sign, right? Equals to I give a now function. Press tab. आप टैब प्रेस करेंगे तो आपका पैरेंथेसिस ब्रैकेट ओपन होके आ जाएगा. जैसे नाउ फंक्शन. फंक्शन जब भी हम लिखते हैं उसके सामने पैरेंथेसिस ब्रैकेट लगाते हैं हम. ठीक है. एंटर करेंगे. आप देख सकते हैं टुडे इज 29 नवंबर, राइट? You can see the time 3 past 3 minute here. Suppose I want to see current date only, not a time. Then in situation मैं क्या करूंगा? Again equals to today Sabbath. You can see. So equals to today showing the only current date, not a time. I want to make my own time. So equals to I will use the time formula. See, in Excel always remember guys, आप हमेशा पैरामीटर को पढ़ना सीखो. First of all, you have to read the parameter, right? Don't trying to just like repeat, learn. No, not like that. You have to try to understand the parameters. That would be help you. Hours, minute, and second. Obviously, these three parameters required for any time frame. So hours, suppose I given 12, comma. So once you finish first parameter, second parameter automated going to be highlight here. Okay, then third one. So minute, suppose I given 2, again comma separator, second I given 1. Close the bracket, enter. So you can see 12 past 2 minutes, right? Now, same thing I want to go through the short key. I want to use the short key, how I'm going to current date and time with the help of the short key. So here, if I want to see, like see, control shift semicolon, you have to press control shift semicolon. You can see current time. Okay, control shift ctr control plus shift plus semicolon. You have to press together. So we are able to see current time. Again, control semicolon only आप press करेंगे. You can see the current date. ctr control semicolon. That you have to remove the shift from here. Not required in this situation. This one. Okay, then you are able to see the current date. Okay, so this is basic formula. Suppose in Excel you want to do the calculation. So how we'll do for this? Like suppose I'm given number here. Anyway, I'm taking phrase file. Basic calculation. Suppose I given 10, 20. I want to add this. So equals to, I click here. See, address of the cell A1. A is a column, 1 is a row. A1 plus B1. Same way you can take continue C1, D1 like this. But suppose if I have multiple data, I have lot of data in this row. How wrong I will write A1, B1, C1, D1? It's going to be lot of time consuming process for me, right? So how we'll do this? So simple. That one going to use another formula. Let me show you. Same way, you can addition and subtraction equals to A1 minus, I mean subtract B1. Same multiply equals to A1 multiply B1. Same way going to be enter. You can see. Fine. But if I have a lot of number, how I'm going for this? Simple, look at this. Drag it. I want to make a total this. Right? Nothing to do. Suppose interviewers, I don't want to write any formula. Don't write any formula. Do without formula. How are you going for this? So simply have to press alternate equals to here. See, select alternate equals to in your keyboard. You can see make a total. Alternate plus equals to press together. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much.